Afternoon, build choppers. Da, 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 da.
We're going to use WD-40.
So I don't know if you guys remember, but in our last episode, Steve and I tried putting this tire on with using a regular tire iron and a tire, I don't even know what the heck you would call that pink thing that used to be red, but it did not go well. We put like 4 holes in the tube. Tried it a second time with a different method, did it again. So this time, Steve and I are going to use what they call a no-pinch tool, which was recommended by a good buddy of mine. So hopefully this works, man, and third time's a charm.
All right, I think we're ready. Needle nose.
Yeah, I got all that.
Do we want to give a shout out?
Oh yeah. First off, what are we using again?
This is called the no pinch tire mounting tool.
All right.
It's made by Baja.
And
Tool.
And we got to give a shout out to Evan Morgan, who allowed us to use his tools. He watched
Thanks,
our video
Good
and was
man.
like, "You guys are idiots." So we're giving this a shot.
Well, we used it to mount the bottom side, and it worked great.
Yep. Personal calls during our movies.
Used it to mount the bottom side, and it worked great. No struggle at all. Didn't have to bring out the tire irons at all for that. We're going to attempt to do the top side without any tire irons also. You may have to pull them out for that. So we got the tube in, and we got the wrong tube. We got a side valve stem.
Well, we did
tube.
Google it, and Google said we're cool.
Says we're cool. I'm sure we're going to find out in the comments what assholes we are for doing this. But we want to try and mount this using this tool and see if we can actually mount a tire without pinching.
So that way we can get back to building these bikes.
Yeah. So we're going to wing it there.
Oh, and another thing I want to bring up is everybody kept saying, the tires can't be that hard. The tires can't be that hard. Steve, we're trying to tell these people, these tires are ridiculously hard. Like, I couldn't get them to move. This thing's been out in the sun all day.
Yeah, been out in the sun all day. It's a knobby tire, and I think that's why we were struggling with it.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
All right, let me get a close up of this.
Here we go. Tubes. I mean, the tire irons just to set
Okay.
this first one. You know, where do we have those? So see how this thing, it seems like this should be on the bottom. You know what I'm saying?
You didn't happen to watch a YouTube video on this, did you?
It did. It seems like that should be like that.
Don't worry, I didn't have the video on while you were doing that. So even YouTubers watch YouTubers to figure out how to do things.
Set it out here in the sun. That way it gets nice and warm. Makes the rubber a little bit more pliable when you're installing the tire. So when you get this tool, it does not come pre-set up. You install the handle by screw it in.
All right, Steve, so how's it coming? Is it easy? Or did Evan lie to you?
So far it's easy. But we're getting to the nitty gritty here, the last part, you know.
I've met him a couple times. He's a little on the fishy side. I'm just kidding. He's my cousin. Well, kind of cousin. He's your cousin.
He's my cousin.
He's my, what would I call it?
Cousin-in-law.
Yeah, cousin-in-law. By law, he's my cousin.
Your
Yeah.
favorite,
He has no choice.
favorite cousin in Maryland.
That's right, he is my favorite cousin in West
No.
Virginia.
Yeah.
And you watched the video. You doing it the right way?
Well, when it gets to the end here, it slips. So you got to set this thing right.
Oh, I gotcha. Okay. I've never used it. He was like, I could blow a tire in the woods, and within 2 minutes I could take it off, put it on. This thing's so easy. So, I think it's been more than 2 minutes, buddy. I already know he's gonna comment. You're freaking doing it wrong. We got to show him how we're supporting Steve. All right, dude. Woo. You're getting there.
This is where this thing's supposed to help. It's this last piece, but I'm struggling with it, I gotta admit.
Hey, you don't look like you're sweating or nothing.
It's raining outside.
It's nice now.
Oh shit.
Oh, there she goes.
No matter what, this is hard. You're probably doing something wrong.
I always love Steve's positivity. Is that helping?
Well, I need to get a tire iron in over here to keep it from popping out on this side as I work my way around. We got it on there, and it was easier to use this thing. This thing does help for inexperienced tire changers.
And that would be us.
But the test is still to see if we pinched it.
Yeah.
Because we still had to use the tire irons to hold the bead in place.
Yeah, and once we did that though, it just started happening.
But we were a little more delicate doing that than doing the brute force method that we did before. So we're going to try and put some air in it and see if it helps. So let me clean up this valve. Where's the wrench?
Nothing's being easy for you today.
Oh. We're kind of locked in there.
Damn. We couldn't get that thing to lock for anything last time. Now you can't get it off.
I think that did it.
I think so.
I think we're holding.
Do we dare try the other one?
All right, I think we're good. Third time's the charm. Baja pinch tool, success. And you just got to go easy with the tire irons.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Evan Morgan, for hooking us up.
Two dudes building choppers.
You got it. Oh, there's one thing we got to do.
Yeah, so for research purposes, we looked up a YouTube channel on how to use this tool, the Baja tool, and it was we looked up Backcountry Advanced Moto is the YouTube channel, and their series is called Gear and Beer.
There you go.
And he did a nice tutorial on how to use the Baja no pinch tool, and gave us some pointers. So go check out his series on that, and check out the pointers that he gave us. One of them was setting the gear right, so you're not pulling back out and the gear is slipping out. So that helped. That was a good pointer. And it's all about gear and beer.
There we go.
Got it done. Success.